Joey the snitch. Joey the rat. Bro, I'm doing this because I cannot wait for you to come back. You will come back probably later today or tomorrow morning. You gonna have some excuse. Your excuse will be, you coming back for your fans, even though you don't have none. You making them all up. Bro, you couldn't even help yourself when you quote unquote said you was leaving. I mean, you just like, bro, it's just it kills me how you just cannot stop yourself from being a lying piece of crap, bro. Man. And I just don't understand why you bring Willy Wonka back out of retirement. What, you thought people weren't gonna get on that or add it up? Like, bro, you are losers. Losers don't have friends. Bro, if that was like a retirement speech, everybody in mom would be like, what is this idiot talking about? I thought this was a concert or something. That's why I came over here. I seen this dude with these big nasty looking headphones, spitting, and then digging up his snot blocker. I thought he was a AIDS victim or something, or you know, he got cancer or something. What? He's really like that? Jesus Christ. Bro, so I got a little bet going, so you gotta let people know when you're coming back, man. You gotta let people know so we can, win the bet. So we know you're coming back. I don't know if it's today or tomorrow, but if you can, man, can you let me know if I can win? Because, loser, we all know that ain't nothing coming out of you. Ain't nothing coming out of you productive. So just please let us know when you coming back. Oh, and the second thing. So you're an angel now, huh? But you said God was the devil. So do that make you a devil too? How did that work? Are you an angel for hell or something? You have to let me know on this crap, bro. Because I got money riding on you. I got money riding on you.
I heard you.
So you got to let me know, bro. What you going to do? But, bro, please come. Please. Make it either way. Because, once again, I got money riding on you. So, please, just come on back. Come on back. We act like nothing happened. We act like you didn't say you was an angel. Even though you said the devil, God is the devil. So, do that make you a devil or does that make you an angel? Which one? Huh? Which one? I really don't know. You have to tell us, bro. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, one more time. You gotta let us know when you coming back. So you gotta let us know, bro. And second, I'm like dying to know, since you're an angel, does that mean you are the devil? Huh? Because you leaving us like wide open here, bro. Wide freaking open. So, that's the only thing we asking for is for you to let us know if you are a devil, little spawn, or you are the devil. One or the other. One or the other, bro. We need to know. I'm serious, man. Me and baby girl, we got a little bet going on that I believe was going to really happen. She had faith on you, so but I can't let you know what time, what day we think you will come back like Superman. Like your fans wanted you to come back so bad that you just had to do it. You couldn't ignore them no more. What, I guess Willy Wonka wanted you back. Mom with Wrench. Who else? Oh, Cassandra. Olaf. So, you know, that's what you gonna say. That's gonna be your excuse. Your fans want you back. Even though you have no fans. Olaf. Let's see. Olaf, Mama Wrench, Cassandra, Willy Wonka. Other new ones you made up not too long ago too. So, I mean, this be. Can we be a little common courtesy a little bit and you say, hey, this is the day I'm coming back. This is the day I finally listened to my fans. And they finally told me, hey, man, we need you. We need you. You know what I mean? We need you. So, you know, just let us know when you coming back. And when your fans finally told you, we need you, boss, as Polak says. No, it wasn't Polak, huh? It wasn't Polak. It was Willy Wonka that said that to you. Said begging you to come back. Yeah. That's what it is. Good. That's good. Yeah. That's what it was. Freaking Willy Wonka wanted you to come back. No. Willy Wonka didn't want you to leave. He said, and I quote, boss, who's going to tell the truth and who's going to stop the lies? And I didn't understand that one because you were talking to yourself. So I didn't understand that one. Why would you answer your own question? I mean, you understand what I mean, right, bro? I mean, you cannot possibly answer your own question. And I just don't get why would somebody want to have fake fans. Do you, my love? It does make. I'd ask you too. Loser. What do you do when you finally say, I ain't doing no more for the day? What do you just start writing mini stories for Willy Wonka and Mom with Wrench? That's how it works. I don't know. You the loser. You gotta let me know, bro. You gotta let me know. But I can tell you this, bro. Ain't nothing changing. I'm still gonna come for you. I'm gonna come for you harder because I know you'll try to weasel your way back on here and act like the fans called you back when you know god dang well you have absolutely no fans whatsoever. And it makes it funny. It's like, bro, the only thing I wanted you to do was apologize for all the stuff you said about people. You know, I'm just sitting there like, why not? With the F that somebody had to say all this racist crap for it, when it's for absolutely no reason other than you get likes. And it makes it funnier. It's like you'd rather say deuces to YouTube than apologize. So that what makes you the pussiest of pussiers. That's what you are. You're scared to be a stand-up guy, but you'd be quick to use that mouth for racism. Use that mouth for, I mean, I don't know how many goddamn times you said something about females. I mean, you act like you've been, every female on this planet is beneath you, bro. I mean, I don't think you realize there's females out here that will whoop you, bro. I mean, they will whoop you. I mean, it's like, bro, you have no clue. You have no clue, bro. And you always on here bashing them. And then, last but good, you love to call people faggots. I mean, your daddy was a faggot. Your daddy was a pedophile. Your daddy couldn't help himself but put his hand in little boy's underwear. You love, and you like, my dad, you know. That's what my dad do or something, you know. My dad. Who in their right mind would even want somebody to know that their funky pussy of a father is, let people know that is your father? Who want that? A loser like you. A loser like you would say, great googly moogly, my dad is a great dad. He didn't mean to touch all those boys' underwear. He didn't mean to like be pedophile. He didn't mean to do it. Illuminati made him do it. Yeah, that's what it is. The Illuminati made your dad be a freaking pedophile. A piece of crap. That's flat out. You're a piece of crap just like he is. Losers, both of y'all. Well, like I said, all thing you gotta do, bro, is apologize. And we will dismiss everything we have planned for you. Now, let's be very clear here, though. I am gonna get you. I am gonna whoop you, bro. You put my baby, my wife, and my daughter in your mouth. So, on that alone, you taking the L. Flat out. So, this could be up to you how you gonna be. You gonna be a man about it or sissified about it. But eventually, you gotta pay the piper. And it ain't gonna be no freaking running to the police. Because I know that's how all y'all faggot racist people be doing. Calling the cops for every little thing. I know a racist right now that literally called the cops because of a dryer. But then she the one got in trouble. See how that work, faggot? See how that work, dum-dum? So, I'm going to say it again. Don't try to call the cops. Try to be a man about something. It don't hurt being a man. It's easy. But, let's recap. I'm still going to get you. But, you need to call and get this all situated. And apologize. That's the only thing we want you to do is apologize. That's all. And you would never hear from me again. Except when I'm whooping you. You will hear me then, because you will hear me, feel me, and cry. Because I'm going to hurt you. See, I just go back and see all your earlier stuff. Bro, it looked like to me, in my opinion, that you were just looking for any reason to say it. I mean, you was just looking for any reason to say it. Am I right, baby?
Oh, yeah.
You know, and that's just to me that is ignorant, bro. Real ignorant. So, I'm going to get off here because I'm tired of talking about you. You know, time for me to smash. Smash something good and deep and wet. Gotta go.